Did you know that a clean home can boost sales by 10%? That's right. Cleanliness isn't just about aesthetics. It's a game changer for buyer decisions. Imagine a potential buyer stepping into a home that sparkles and smells fresh. Instantly, they feel at ease and can easily envision their life there. Now, let's talk TidyTex. We're a proud veteran-owned cleaning service in San Antonio, dedicated to helping realtors like you prepare homes for sale. With our reliable professional team, we ensure your listings shine just before those crucial open houses or private showings. Our quick turnarounds mean you won't miss a beat in the fast-paced market, allowing you to focus on what you do best: selling homes. Here's a tidy tip for realtors. Before your next showing, open all blinds and turn on lights. This simple trick makes spaces feel brighter and more inviting, highlighting the best features of the home and creating a warm atmosphere. Ready to elevate your listings and close those deals faster? Contact TidyTex today. Check the video description for more details, including our website, phone number, and email. Let's get those homes sparkling and buyers excited to make an offer.